What up, Smart Rabbit Gang? Another fan asked question. He asked, how to begin and end a song? That's a great question. He didn't really ask any more than that or go in deeper into detail, so it's like kind of vague, but I'm gonna go off of that. So here's the thing, you have to remember this, and I made a whole video, it's called your songwriting superpower. It's got Superman showing a Superman symbol in the thumbnail. Now if you've seen that video, remember me talking about crescendo, the rises and the falls in a song. So I need you to know this, we'll start, there's numerous things I'm gonna tell you here. Number one, how to begin and end a song. You remember, you're gonna start a song down here, okay? And then when the song ends, it needs to be up here. Because when you have a song, believe it or not, this is how songwriting works, it's about tension and release. It's about it being a roller coaster ride for the listener. The listener has to feel ups and downs and emotionally connect with the song because of the production, the delivery of the lyrics, the melodies, the melody changes, the rhythm, all of those things. It sounds like a lot, right? But all those things really matter, and as you get better at being an artist, you get better at doing this and helping them, bring them along the ride. Because if you have somebody that's really good, they'll carry you through the first verse, but then the chorus sucks, well that ride kind of slows it down, it's not as exciting, you know what I'm saying? That's why the whole song has to be good, and you have to learn how to bring them through that ride. Okay, so that's one thing I have to say. Now, how to begin a song, I need to tell you this as a rule of thumb, you need to make sure that you are entertaining that listener within the first 15 seconds. You always know that in my live streams, every Thursday, 6 p.m. PST, I do live streams to review your music. I always tell people, God, that intro was so freaking long. Because I'm gonna turn it off, I'm gonna turn off your song by 20 seconds. You're lucky if I stay for 20 seconds, right? So how to begin a song, for one, I always try to make some type of catchy noise or do something within the first 10 seconds, but must do by the first 15 seconds, okay? Because you need to pull that listener in. Now, even when they study charts, I think it's Ralph Murphy. I read his book on, he studies like the Billboard charts and looked at how many, why the songs got where they were and what part of the songwriting made that song get to that place. Well, I remember him saying something like a large amount of them in the top 50 of the songs of the year said you within the first 20 seconds. Because when you say you are stimulated, okay? That's the power of you. I'll make a whole nother video on that. But when you say the word you to somebody, listen to me. When I'm saying you think I'm talking to you. So that it kind of like, you go, what? So in a song, when they're singing, they go, you make me feel like you got that pulls the listener in. So that's a good thing to say you as well. Random tip there, I'll make a whole nother video on that. Now let's talk about how to end a song. So basically for beginning a song, make sure you pull the listener in and you're entertaining them the whole time. Now you're lucky, they make it to the end, you're lucky, you're good. That means you probably got good music, right? Here's the thing, if you're at the end of the song, you need to make sure that they want to come back and listen to your song again. So there's certain tricks that you can use. And I have other videos on this stuff, like how to get, I think the video is called How to Get Quadruple the Listens and Streams on Your Song. You can go find that. I can give you an example of why if a song abruptly cuts off or the way that you do it psychologically makes the person want to re-stream and replay the song, which means you make more money because you're getting more streams and you look better because you're getting more streams. Well, the thing is though, is you need to end songs properly. So one thing I do highly recommend, especially nowadays, is you don't fade out a song unless it's not like a main single. Like don't like fade out a song and give it like 30-second fade out. Don't do that. What you need to do is you need to, in some way, shape, or form, have it where when it cuts off or when it ends, like do it on the end of a hook or do it on something very catchy. So that as soon as it ends, the person wants to replay the song again and go through that ride again and feel that all those emotions all the way to the end. So when you chop off the end, and I give you examples in that video, people go, oh shit, I want to play that again. You know what I'm saying? So that you need, it also makes it that you end on a high note. So when you go out, it's up here and it's exploding here. So right when it cuts off, it goes from not very loud to loud and dun bum. And then you're like, okay, I want to hear that again. And then it starts soft and then it starts right. You see what I'm saying? So that's how to begin and end the song in general. Catch their attention and then make sure that they want to play it again when the song's over. Okay? You just became a smarter rapper. And I'm back with the word of the day, so you know what time it is. I got this right here, man. It's time for word of the day. New words you can say, new words for your rhymes and for your wordplay. By the time you leave this video, you'll be smarter than you was before.
Word of the day, finally back again, back at it. Like a crack addict with a bad habit, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Anyway, tempestuous. We're relating to a violent storm or turbulence. Sometimes our lives are tempestuous. Yeah.
Just so you guys know, I have tons of free courses for you. You get like $400 in free courses. I have those. You get like $400 worth of free stuff in my Smart Rapper community. You go sign up for the free level. You guys can go get that. I put the links below for you. Sign up, you get the A&R contest. You get the music industry contacts. You get the how to copyright your music. You get the how to start a website course. You get like, I have all these courses for you free, okay? As well as, you know, there's a lot of other stuff in there. You just need to go check it out. Link is below. All right, I will see you guys again tomorrow with another video. Please hit subscribe. Please leave me a comment. Please hit that like button. I really appreciate y'all. Keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top.